back up, back up, back up, back up. Hey, sweetie.
How did she get like that?
She did it. She's been all over the place, rolling around and tipping over and practicing going up and down the bed. Yeah. You guys can give her a hug and a kiss.
Yep, go.
Could she stand up by
Don't move her,
herself
just don't
like
move her,
this?
just don't move her.
Give her a hug and a
Could
kiss.
she do this?
Yeah, she's standing. Yeah, she crawled up there.
Oh, could she like stand up like this?
No, not
Not yet, not yet. Put her against the bed.
So she's gonna practice
baby.
walking.
But
around
would
the
she
bed.
stand up by
Honey.
herself? Then what's
Don't ask about dessert anymore. Yay, baby. Okay, let go, Kai. Let her be.
a video chain?
I'm gonna put this on right now. I want to put this on right now.
Oh my god.
What?
This video online real quick. Plus, I gotta get my deals of the week.
Oh my god, that has to be the last thing you do, honey.
Okay, what do we want me to do?
No, whatever you need. I'm good. I'm just putting stuff away. So I put, a few pair of jeans that you seem to wear the most.
Sweetie, bitty, bitty, bitty.
Here, honey.
Back up, Kai.
Then you have more jeans over there.
Back up, son.
Excuse me, sweetie.